Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. The dream home is warm, welcoming, and full of character. But the building process? That's often long, expensive, and stressful. Well, what if you could have the timeless charm of a farmhouse combined with the efficiency and cost savings of a modular home? This style is the perfect marriage of rustic comfort and modern efficiency. We're going to define exactly what this trend is, outline its incredible benefits, share key tips for perfecting that exterior curb appeal, and show you the top 10 best farmhouse modular home design ideas that prove factory-built can look 100% custom. Let's get building. At its heart, a farmhouse modular home is a house constructed in sections, or modules, in a climate-controlled factory, and then delivered to the building site for final assembly. These are not the manufactured homes of the past. They are built to the same strict local building codes as a traditional site-built home, often with superior structural integrity. The farmhouse design aesthetic is what makes this trend so popular. It draws inspiration from traditional rural architecture, characterized by clean lines, tall roof lines, often gables, expansive covered porches, board and batten or horizontal siding, usually white or light-colored, and large, functional windows. Modern farmhouse modular designs take these classic elements and simplify them, focusing on open-concept interiors and the signature high-contrast look, like white siding paired with black window frames and metal roofing, to achieve a look that feels both historic and impeccably clean. Choosing a farmhouse modular home is a strategic decision that offers several powerful benefits, marrying convenience with high quality. Firstly, the most immediate benefit is time and cost predictability. Since construction occurs simultaneously with site work, the overall timeline is drastically reduced, often cutting the build time in half compared to traditional construction. Factory efficiency means less material waste and bulk purchasing power, which directly translates to a more predictable price point and reduced labor costs. Secondly, these homes boast superior quality and durability. Modular homes are engineered to withstand the stress of transportation and craning, which inherently makes them sturdier than site-built homes. Furthermore, the assembly line environment allows for higher precision and quality control, ensuring a tightly sealed structure with continuous insulation, leading to better energy efficiency and long-term savings on utility bills. Ultimately, you get a premium quality home faster and often at a better value. The secret to making a modular farmhouse look bespoke and inviting lies in the exterior detailing. You need to focus on amplifying the charm and hiding the modular nature. Begin with siding and trim. The classic white or light gray siding is a must. For visual interest, incorporate contrasting textures by mixing horizontal lap siding with vertical board and batten on the gables or accent walls. Use thick, crisp white trim around all windows and doors to give the home weight and that satisfying, polished look. Next, the covered porch is non-negotiable. Ensure the porch roof is proportional and deep enough to be truly usable. Clad the porch ceiling in warm, natural wood and incorporate chunky wooden columns or stone bases to provide a grounded, authentic rustic feel. Finally, focus on hardware and lighting. Install large, dark-tone, black or bronze, metal lantern-style lighting fixtures on either side of the doors, and use bold, matte black window frames to provide the high-contrast, modern element that elevates the entire aesthetic. Let's see these beautiful concepts brought to life. Here are the top 10 best farmhouse modular home design ideas you can use for your own build. One, high-contrast gable and metal roof. This design perfectly nails the modern farmhouse look with crisp white board and batten siding against a stark black metal roof. The two-story gable maximizes interior volume and provides that traditional silhouette, making the home feel substantial and custom. 2. Wraparound porch with rustic beams. The deep, expansive wraparound porch is the soul of this design. Utilizing exposed timber posts and a rich stained wood ceiling, this porch visually expands the living area and provides crucial indoor-outdoor connectivity. 3. Low-slung ranch with double dormers. This single-story example uses a low, extended roofline, but the addition of 2 functional dormers breaks up the long roof and allows natural light into the attic or loft space, adding a layer of architectural detail that disguises its modular nature. 4. Board and batten texture mix. Notice how the smooth horizontal lap siding on the main floor contrasts with the vertical board and batten on the upper gable. This mix of texture adds depth and visual interest, a high-impact but low-cost design trick. 5. The black window frame power move. The use of bold, black-framed windows against a bright white exterior is the single most effective way to modernize the farmhouse look. They create sharp lines and beautifully frame the surrounding landscape. 6. Integrated garage and breezeway. This design uses a separate modular unit for the garage, connecting it to the main home via a covered breezeway. This layout adds visual complexity, breaks up the massing, and creates a cozy courtyard feel. 7. Stone foundation skirting. To give the modular home permanence, the base is wrapped in a stone veneer or natural rock skirting. This heavy, natural material grounds the structure, hiding the seam where the module meets the foundation and lending an expensive, custom look. 8. Stacked box with covered entryway. This is a highly efficient design using 2 stacked modular boxes. The simple, deep covered entryway provides necessary shelter and a focal point, breaking the uniformity of the box shape with a pronounced shadow line. 9. Simple gambrel barn shape. This home showcases the charming gambrel roofline. This structure, which is very efficient to build in a factory, maximizes the usable square footage on the top floor and perfectly captures the quintessential barn aesthetic. 10. The mudroom/utility entry accent. This design accentuates a side or rear entry, typically leading to a mudroom or utility area. A small, contrasting overhang or exposed beam element highlights this functional entry, reflecting the hardworking, practical nature of the traditional farmhouse. The farmhouse modular home is truly the best of both worlds. It delivers the iconic, cozy, and timeless aesthetic we all love, combined with the speed, predictability, and superior quality of modern factory construction. By focusing on smart material contrasts, embracing the covered porch, and choosing clean, classic lines, you can achieve that custom, welcoming curb appeal without the site-built headaches. It's an incredibly smart, efficient way to build your dream home. I hope these top 10 examples have shown you how beautifully these 2 concepts merge. Which of these farmhouse features are you adding to your modular plans? Let me know in the comments below. If you're serious about smart home design and want more ideas, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studios. We release new videos every single week to help you plan and build the home you've always wanted. And don't forget to ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.